I always love when the 4th of July falls on either a Friday or a Monday because it's always makes a great weekend. And not only that, we get 2 nights of music, 2 afternoons, today and tomorrow, right from 5:45 to 8:45, and then the fireworks start at 9 o'clock. So we appreciate you coming down. I'm Paul Nunley with the Downtown Business Association. I volunteer. My real job, I'm a financial advisor with Edward Jones, but I come down here to do the announcements whenever they don't have anybody. So here I am. So, and to make sure that everybody looks around and sees the banners, that's who pays for, essentially, for the band. And please support the downtown businesses. That's who supports it. That's who pays for it. We all get together and work with the Stuart Main Street. And I just want to say that, of course, I have to put it on my phone because I can't remember everybody. We used to have all the sponsors right out front, and now we moved them back so everybody could have room to dance. So even though it's hot, if you feel like dancing this afternoon, jump out there and do it. So we have Earth Tones Terra Firmata. That's Ron Hart, and he's the one that books all these bands get together. Southern Eagle Distributing, Kilwin's Ice Cream, the Courthouse Commons, the Boathouse right next door, Seacoast Bank, the DBA and Stuart Main Street, Mulligan's, the Stuart Green Market, Coast 1013, and Larry McKay, he does this every other week with Coast 101.3. He introduced the band. So don't forget about tomorrow. And we have Walter, Dan, and Cliff. So without further ado, here's the Blues Crusaders.